Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 INFINITI QX60 LUXE. But this is not just any ordinary LUXE. This LUXE has every option you can add on. Radiant emblem, vision pack, and audio pack. So let's go through here. Performance audio package adds your Bose 17 speaker audio, which is standard on sensory. Vision pack is actually optional on sensory, and now it's optional on LUXE. That's pretty cool. Lighting package, roof rail crossbars. Your lighting pack is going to have your illuminated cargo scuff plate and your welcome lighting with a logo that appears down here. Radiant grill album, cargo pack, premium paint, because this is mineral black over sandstone, for a sticker price of $64,125. For 2023, the QX60 as well as all INFINITI models feature a 3-year free maintenance program. So if you lease this for, I would say, 99.9% of your lease, all maintenance is going to be covered. That includes tire rotation, oil changes, cabin air filter. Pretty darn cool. So all your scheduled maintenance for the first 3 years, and I believe 30,000 miles on these, is going to be complimentary. So obviously you have your third row seating. Here is your illuminated scuff plate. You're going to have your illumination all through here. That is a graphite shadow finish too. That's pretty unique. For 2023, one of the big cosmetic changes is this. For 2022, these pieces here were gloss black only on the Pure. Now they're on the Pure and the LUXE. The Sensory and Autograph get graphite shadow. So it's obviously going to be in that lower front section there. Wheels unique to the LUXE. Obviously, LUXE, Sensory, Pure. You get your standard bench seat. Autograph is only captain's chairs. Gonna have your sunshade. All right. LUXE is going to add your cooled seats. Pure actually comes standard with heated steering wheel and heated seats. That's pretty cool. LUXE is also going to add your navigation. Panoramic roof is standard on all. Of course, this is your sandstone trim or interior color. So this is essentially a LUXE with some, if not more, of the features on a sensory, because vision isn't standard on sensories. That's an option. So heads-up display, your adaptive front lighting, that's optional on the LUXE as well as the sensory. Vision isn't standard until Autograph. So let's go off and say, what are the things the sensory has that this doesn't? So your sensory, jumping up to the sensory, is going to give you the different wheels that are shared with the Autograph. It's going to give you the graphite shadow trim pieces around where the tailpipes are, and that front bumper, like I was talking about, being gloss black on this one. It's going to give you massaging seats. That's obviously very nice. It's also going to give you ambient lighting around all the trim pieces, and it's going to give you the optional tow pack. I want to say it's not optional on the LUXE. I think it's only optional on sensory, standard on Autograph, but I may be mistaken. I didn't do the research I was supposed to. Other than that, this has everything. Biggest change for the redesign that occurred in 2022, addition of the 9-speed automatic. Absolutely phenomenal transmission. Definitely, I always complained that a luxury SUV should never have a CVT, and guess what? Infiniti listened. Obviously, I've spent time in, at this point, hundreds of QX60s. So I'm familiar with how the new ones drive and how the previous ones drive. When I say this is almost like a 2 or 3 generation jump, I completely mean it. This is just, everybody complains the 2020 QX60 was dated, and compared to the competition, it was. This is a humongous jump in available features, amenities, and overall driving experience. Handling, it's impressive for a 3-row SUV. It's not going to be a Porsche Cayman, but it's going to be definitely confident on a back road. I'm not going to be like, oh, I'm going to flip over. The way we handle our dynamic all-wheel drive and cornering abilities is we grab inside brakes instead of overpowering the outside corner, which can induce oversteer on slippery conditions. We grab the inside brake. It's a little bit of a safer design, more focused on safety rather than just potentially drifting. But on the flip side, it does the exact same thing. If I had said, oh, there's no difference, and you were to take it on an icy road, honestly, you'd be hard pressed to know the difference between this and the competition. If this was the Q60 Red Sport, something focused more on handling, or even the Q50 Eau Rouge that never got made, that I really hoped it would have, then I would have been like, yeah, why don't we verge on the side of oversteer? Why not? It's people buying that car want handling. Guys, at the end of the day, this is a 3-row SUV. This isn't going to be a track toy. You'd rather, in poor conditions, have a car be safe rather than risk going sideways for somebody that's not looking to do that. See how that around view monitor can be useful? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.